I'm going to be showing you guys on how to organize photos with albums on iOS 18. So iOS 18 has a new and updated Photos app, so you can manually organize photos with albums. Just go ahead and open your photos, scroll down till you find customize and reorder. So once you tap here, just select the collections that you want to appear in your Photos app. So let's say you want albums to appear, media types, memories, pinned collection. If you don't want any of them, just deselect them and you would see that you don't have any of them. If you tap on customize and reorder and use featured photos, or let's say utilities, and you would find utilities right here. If you want albums, tap on albums, go back, tap on any album that you would want. If you tap on the plus sign, you can add photos. So this is how you organize photos with albums on iOS 18.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.